The North Carolina courts may soon decide that former President Donald Trump did not enter ballot in the 2024 elections due to a new legal filing at Wake County Supreme Court on Friday. The state election officials approved Trump's Republican Party primary education at beginning this month and rejected a challenge opened by a voter who claimed that 14th change Trump was not appropriate serve as president because ban on uprisings holding federal office, the vote keeping Trump on ballot 41. Both Republican members and 2-3 Democratic members are voting to refuse challenge. However, this decision from Election Board was appealed on Friday and prepared ground for state courts to seize question as other states have recently started to do. Friday's appeal, Trump's primary to allow primary to be involved in the GOP voters in North Carolina, argues that voters are not fair. Especially Trump supporters will be deprived of the right to support a different candidate to serve as president. On 5 March 2024, voters in Republican primary school have the right to choose from candidates in accordance with the Constitution. If someone had voted for Donald Trump and could not be entitled to have the presidential office, their votes are not counted. Such a result cannot be accepted as constitutional. Appeal. Mainine's actions surrounding January 6, 2021. Due attack on Congress in 2024. Trump's vote should not be allowed become second state. Came a day after day.Together. Both Maine and Colorado decisions. U.S. Supreme Court waiting make a possible decision on subject. However, other states. Trump's voters in 2024 decided that voters may appear in the ballot compasses including North Carolina. This decision is currently appeal in Michigan and California. North Carolina struggle in the appeal of Friday. Previously Republican presidents Ronald Reagan and George H.W.ÇALI. In an interview after decision of Election Board in early this month, Martin said it was ridiculous to claim that states' best election officials claim they do not have authority to prevent anyone from nominating anyone for president. I thought it was noteworthy that Republican Party can list any candidate for U.S. president and that board has no authority to determine whether they are deserved to task. The best Republican politicians of the state do not want the board of directors to make such decisions. Tim Moore, president of North Carolina House, who worked for seat in Congress in 2024, said that when legislature returned session, Election Board would think of bringing an invoice to make sure that Trump does not have power ban Trump or someone else. When State Election Board dropped challenge against Trump at beginning this month, some members of board directors believe that they did not have power to decide who could run in primary election. Moore said that a new law may be necessary to protect Trump in North Carolina, a key swing status that Trump won with 49.9% of